Hey guys, I'm Johnny on the trail, and my package has arrived, my new camera gear. I want to do an unboxing and show you what I have here. And I'm hoping to use in some areas that I'm allowed to use it in. Anyway, let me get to the unboxing so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Let's get to it. Okay, this box came in today. Cool. And this is some of my new camera gear. All right, let's get this box open. Okay, let's see if we can get this open here. You guys are seeing it for the first time just like I am. This nice little bag, which is cool. I'll set it right here. I think that's just an empty box. Alright, we'll set that right over here. And this, I believe, are my batteries. Charger. Some instructions. And these right here probably won't use, but it's nice to have these. These are sets of guards. There's one for each side. So I'll set those right over here. And let's open this case up. And right here is the camera. And this is it. So back here is where the SD card goes in, as well as the batteries. SD card goes right there. This thing is super light. Wow, pretty cool. We'll set that right here. And then This is my 3 battery charger. It's got USB and micro USB right here. And this box here has all my cables in it and adapters. So here I have a screwdriver for changing props. This is the controller joysticks. There's 2 of those. And here are the various adapter cables. I'm going to be using this one for my iPhone. And then I have 2 more charging cables here. And the controller. And this is what the controller looks like. Of course, my iPhone will slide in there. I've got a cable. In fact, this very cable right here will go right like that. And plug into my iPhone. And here's my controllers to control the drone. Very, very cool. I think this is, yep, this is extra props. Just extra propellers, just in case I damage these. But these are very, very flexible. These are pretty cool. And here's another shot of the camera. This thing shoots 2.7 gigahertz or 1080p. And this drone is a 249 grams. So I don't have to register this one, which is super cool. All right, well, I'm gonna get some batteries charging